Where's this gonna be? I'm Dino, by the way. I'm with the mid. I think I know maybe. Who's got the? I've got the single cab. But I've got a single cab. I got a Mexican Beetle. I got a bunch of them, man. They're like potato chips. You can't have one.
You ride with GHIA sometimes?
Yeah.
Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you very much for being part of it all. I appreciate all of you, and I appreciate your comments and hitting like and subscribing, of course. And thank you for the donations. If you would like to make one to keep the channel going, please go down into the description. There's a secure link to PayPal for your privacy also, and donate to the channel to help keep it going. Okay, today we are doing something completely different. This is just an extra video this week, all right? Dino, a friend of mine, had taken out time and filmed a car show. And that was really nice of him to do, because I know that takes time out of his day and enjoyment, of course, to do that, and submitted the video to me so everybody can enjoy it. So today we're going to run that. And also, if you get a video and you film a car show that's 8 to 10 minutes or longer, please feel free to email me, and we will go ahead and get it up and running for you, and take some pictures of yourself so I can insert them into it. This is just an extra video this week. Like I said, on Friday, we're going back to our DIY video. And where this car show is and what the deal was, my cheat sheet, of course, Mikey and Mel's Deli. Thank you for hosting this. It's called Corned Beef and Cars. It was on March 22nd, 2023, and it's in Fulton, Maryland. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. What this features also is the Mid-Maryland Vintage VW Club. Shout out there. And the Air Raid VW Club. Another shout out there. So let's sit back and enjoy, and I'll catch up with you at the end, and I'll tell you what's coming up. Lots of important stuff.
Video. Hey, you got the pickle.
Yep.
I got the point. I had to use a ram. I walked over. I was late. You had enough eyes on it. I'm like, oh, I got the pulley on. Got a belt.
He's got some asinine motor in this thing.
I'm not sure.
It's like a 23 something or another. Yeah, it doesn't even. What's the motor, Dale?
2275.
2275, okay.
Built by Bernie Ferdinand when he was out in California.
That was a bad mammy jammy building motors.
Oh, you were asking. He was asking.
It's 36 horsepower.
When it's not running.
In neutral going downhill.
Yeah.
definitely looking for air-cooled, vintage, and then like maybe exotic.
Where's this gonna be? Where's this? I'm Dino, by the way. I'm with the I think I know maybe. Who's got the? I've got the single cab. Well, I've got a single cab. I got a Mexican Beetle. I got a bunch of them, man. They're like potato chips. You can't have one. Yeah.
Do you have the coming in?
No. That's the only one I don't have. I have a 71 Westie. I got an 03 Mexican that's here today. It's like 1,400 miles on it. I got a.
I'm originally from Baltimore, so Baltimore boys, man. We know.
Beautiful motor. Yeah. Shoot some content for my buddy Slade.
Yeah, it's part of our.
Yeah. Is it good? Oh yeah, I think it's so cool. Is it, can I get a shot of the inside? Can you open the door? Kinda, while I'm walking around. Avery Cam. What Avery doing? What are doing? Hey. Hey, little Avery. Hey there. Hi.
Now that was an extra video this week. So Friday, your DIY video will be up. Okay, and I'm also going to do another extra video of parts opening that I got. So I'll get that done in about 3-4 days, right around there, and get that up and running as soon as I possibly can. Then we got to get to the body work on Chaos. I don't like body work, but it's got to be done. And remember, everybody does it their own way. You can tell I don't like it. Okay, I hope everybody's had a great day and has a great rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. And also, we got the giveaway. I got to do that video. I'm just really behind. But there's 3 of you that will be winning. One of you will be winning, of course, the t-shirt, the book, the keychain. There's quite a few things. And also, there will be 2 runners-up that will win stickers. So I'll be doing that soon, and I'll show that live.